all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video we are going to see some beautiful collection, all kanta stitch material sarees in jute silk material. Very pretty design, beautiful handwork in these sarees, very unique collections. It will be very class pieces. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. A beautiful kanta stitch work chanderi saree, very lovely design. Both the sides we have a contrast border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful kanta stitch running along the body of the saree, which makes the saree a class designs. Very pretty design and a beautiful stitch this work is. This is all hand stitched. This is the pallu of the saree and a very pretty blouse. Even in the blouse we have a kanta stitch work in the bottom, and this is the contrast blouse, and the price of the saree is 1320. We have some lovely color combination in this. The first was a light more of a lotus pink shade. The next is a mustard with a fenugreek shade. A very pretty color combination. This is the body of the saree. Look really nice. Fully you have the kanta stitch, which makes the saree really pretty. And this is the pallu of the saree, a pretty pallu with kanta stitch in that also. And the blouse of the saree is this, a pretty blouse. And the price of the saree is 1320. The next in the same shade is a beautiful grey. All these sarees look really classy. Very flowy material. Pretty design, pretty material. This is the body of the saree. A grey with a blue color combination print. Looks really class piece. And this is the pallu of the saree. A pretty pallu. And the blouse of the saree will be in grey. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of the saree is 1320. The next in the same lot is a beautiful green, lovely green, light green with a dark green combination. A pretty shade, matches my saree, my dress. Looks really pretty. This is the body of the saree. All very subtle colors, all pastel shades. This is the pallu of the saree, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1320. A very pretty kanta stitch saree again. This is a checks pattern design, and the kanta stitch is being done in the checks itself. A pretty design, a closer look of the saree. Both the sides a small border, and throughout the body is a checks pattern design in kanta work, and inside that we have small chamki works. It's all completely weaved, nothing is stuck. It's all weaved one. This is the pallu of the saree, and you have some beautiful tassels in the pallu. And this is the blouse of the saree, a contrast darker green blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1320. We have some lovely color combination in the same pattern. The first is a elaichi green. The next is more of a chocolate color, that kind of a brown, a toffee shade. Very pretty color combo. More earthly colors, wooden shades. Pretty design. Same pattern, checks pattern design. All kanta stitch work. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is in contrast color. A pretty blouse. And this is the body of the saree. Pretty design. And the price of the saree is 1320. The next design, the next color in the same pattern is a lighter peacock blue. All slightly more pastel shades, not very dark shades, more of a pastel shades. A light peacock blue, that kind of a shade. That's the body of the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse is again a contrast darker green blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, dark green, peacock green shade. So this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1320. The next is a dark mustard or slightly a wooden shade, that kind of a color, a brown wooden shade. So this is the body of the saree, a pretty color combo, lovely design. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, and the blouse of the sari is in contrast green. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. This is a very pretty kalamkari pattern kantha stitch material, a beautiful design. Both the sides we have a small border, and in the borders also we have some kantha stitch, and throughout the body we have a kalamkari design. In that the kantha stitch is being done. We have chamki works also which is being stitched in this, and this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a pretty blouse with kalamkari design. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. A lovely baby pink with a purple color combination jute silk material. In that we have a beautiful kantha stitch work in this sari. Both the sides a contrast border, and in the border also we have the kantha stitch, and in the body also we have beautiful kantha stitch design running along the body, which is very pretty. The design is very class, looks really rich. And this is the pallu of the sari, and you have beautiful tassels in the corners, and this is the blouse of the sari, a contrast purple color blouse, and the price of the sari is 1320. We have some lovely color combo in the same pattern. The first was a light pink, the second is a very pretty pastel gray and blue mix combination. See, the colors are so beautiful, so subtle, classy designs, and classy ones which you can wear for the office or small functions. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is the blouse of the sari, a beautiful contrast blouse, and this is the body, pretty design. The price of the sari is 1320. The next is a lovely green and yellow mix combination. All the shades are just class, they look so different. I just love the colors in this. Very pretty color, a green and a yellow mix combination, lime yellow and a darker green combination. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu, same kantha stitch, and this is the blouse of the sari, a pretty blouse, and the price of this sari is 1320. The next shade is again a beautiful elaichi green and a pista green combination, a beautiful design, lovely color combination, pretty pattern. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu, pretty pallu, and this is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. Very pretty wavy pattern design kantha stitch material in the jute silk material, a kantha stitch work, very pretty. Both the sides a contrast border, and throughout the body we have a beautifully wavy pattern design, and in that we have lovely kantha stitch, pretty design. It's more of a mustard shade, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is a very pretty blouse, a contrast design. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. This is again a beautiful kantha stitch jute silk material, very pretty design. Both the sides are contrast coffee color brown border, and the body is slightly more of a reddish pink, that kind of a shade, and the kantha stitch is done in checks pattern, beautiful design running along the body. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely contrast pallu, and this is the blouse. The blouse is again a very pretty blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. We have some lovely combinations in the same pattern. The next is a beautiful peacock blue, very pretty shade. This is the body of the sari, a pretty design, light peacock blue with a darker color combination border, very pretty design, and the kantha stitch is being done in the body completely. And this is the pallu of the sari, pretty pallu, and this is the blouse, a contrast blouse, and the price of the sari is 1320. The next combo in the same pattern is a orangish mustard, that kind of a shade, more of a rust color shade, a light rust with a dark coffee brown border. Pretty design, looks really nice. So different, elegant design, elegant pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu. And this is the blouse of the sari, a pretty blouse, very pretty. And this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. The next combo is a light green, a light peacock green with a darker green border. A pretty color combo again, lovely design, very pretty design, checks pattern, looks really class. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu. And the blouse of the sari is this beautiful blouse, pretty one. And the price of the sari is 1320. This is a beautiful embroidery pattern in the jute silk material, a lovely color, a kesari color, in that a contrast green color border, lovely design. And throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery running along the body, which makes the sari simple, subtle, beautiful. And this is the pallu of the sari, pretty pallu. And the blouse of the sari is again a very pretty contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. We have one more combo in the same pattern. That is again a very lovely shade, a beautiful green, very different green. It's not a normal green, it's more of that green and that peacock green and the normal green mix, that kind of a shade. Lovely design in that a beautiful brown color border, looks class. And see, I'll open and show you, it looks really class. This is the body of the sari, pretty design, lovely embroidery running along the body, pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, pretty pallu. And the blouse of the sari is contrast brown color. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the collections. Pretty designs, pretty color combinations. All these materials are really soft and flowy materials. Simple, easy maintenance saris. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.